How to clean your makeup sponges and transform them from this to this. The change will be amazing. They will look like new. Grab all your dirty sponges, foundation sponge, bronzer, concealer, whatever you use for your face, your makeup. You're going to need a bowl, some dishwasher, some olive oil, and some baking soda. Put some oil in a bowl and dip the sponges in. After that, rub the sponges with your fingertips. Be careful, no rings and no nails. Be careful with your nails because you will destroy your sponge. Rinse under the faucet until water runs clear. The sponges will be so much better and ready to do this next step. Do this with every one of them. Oil, rub, and water. Finishing. Now, let's prepare the cleaner. Mix olive oil, dishwasher, and baking soda. You will get a foamy paste. Soak the sponges in this paste and do the same procedure that you did with the oil. Rub them, be careful with your nails, and rinse under running water until water runs clear. This is very important because sponges can't have any soap in to use on your face. Let's do it all. Wipe each one with a clean towel. They are so clean and you can use them after wiping. If you prefer, place them on the table and let it dry. This is before and this is after. Great! Very soon, we will be revealing our third giveaway. Subscribe to my channel. Like my videos. Comment. And follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you.